Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on today to share with you some happy mail. Yay for happy mail. I received some happy mail from someone by the name of Made by Steffany. That was what was on the package. Steffany, thank you so much for thinking of me. I just want to say that I'm not sure how long this was at my P.O. box because I just picked it up the other day and I have had my parents visiting with me and I have not been able to check my P.O. box. They actually just left yesterday. They live in Colorado, so I do apologize for the delay in shooting this video, but thank you so much for thinking of me. All right, I'm gonna start with her card, which is really, really cute. She's got a cute little heart right here. Let's just open it up. All right, let me just look at it really quickly. It says, hi Erica, hope you like the goodies I made for you. I enjoy watching your project videos. Thanks for the inspiration. Crafty hug, Steffany. Oh, and here's her card, Made by Steffany. Oh, thank you so much, Steffany, for thinking of me. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this package first. It's packaged so nicely in this pink twine and tissue paper. Oh my goodness, look what we have here. Oh look, it's a, oh my goodness, I can't even think. It's one of these treat boxes and it says Scrapdiva29. Oh, I love it. That is adorable. Yes, love, love, love that. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh my goodness, she's got a little coffee cups. Oh, look how super cute her little cups are. It says create, and then she has all these layers of hearts. Oh, that is adorable. I love that. Look how cute. She even has a circle right here and a gold straw. Oh my gosh. And then on the inside, there's some goodies. Oh, I love this idea. Oh, and she gifted me some trim. Some flat back pearls. Oh, those are pretty. And then some gold trim. Wow, thank you so much. That is such a cute little cup. I love that idea. I'm gonna have to try that. These are so cute. This will be so cute in those little caddies that I've been creating recently. Absolutely adorable. And then she even gifted me a few of the coffee cups. Oh, that's so super sweet of you. Thank you. That is adorable, Steffany. Thank you, thank you. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up this one. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's like a mini embellishment box. Oh, it's really, really pretty. Look at the front of it. Look how, I love this pink and gold combo. It's so pretty and it says hello, and she's got a little circle tag hanging right there and a cute little bow and that little sticker that says yay. Absolutely adorable. I need to find where these boxes come from. I'd like to get some of these. I don't know if they're from Dollar Tree or somewhere else, but look, she gave me a bunch of confetti. Oh my gosh, and I will definitely use this. Look how fun this is. Oh, so cute. Thank you so much. Even has some bows in here. Those are so pretty. Oh my goodness, and some star sequins. Look at that. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. And then she has some sequins right here. This is so pretty. I am horrible with sequin mixes, so thank you so much. I always am so thankful when I receive a sequence mix when it's already done, because that is not like my strong suit. And then she has some die cut bows, all pink, white, and gold. Perfect, ready to go for me. I don't know if I have this die, Steffany, so thank you. Thank you, thank you. I wonder if you did this on your Cricut or something like that. So, so sweet. And then she has these puffy hearts in the whole pink, white, and gold combo. Really, really pretty. I love this little kit. And then she's got these cute little mustaches. And again, pink, white, and gold. Absolutely adorable. This is really sweet. Happy mail. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking the time to send me a few goodies. I truly appreciate it. This is absolutely a lovely idea, and I absolutely love your little coffee cup that you made. Super, super cute. I can't wait to display this. This is so cute. I'll put it on my in my craft room. It's adorable. I love that idea. Super, super cute. So thank you so much, Steffany. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Please tell her what you think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.